Want to recover a voicemail you accidentally deleted on your iPhone? Here's a quick and easy way to get it back. So, let's dive in. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap Voicemail to open your voicemail inbox. Now, scroll all the way down until you find Deleted Messages, and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of voicemails that you've recently deleted. Find the voicemail you want to recover, and tap on it to open the message. Then, tap the trash icon with the slash through it to restore the voicemail. And that's it! The deleted voicemail will be restored and moved back to your regular voicemail inbox. Keep in mind, deleted voicemails may only be available for a limited time, so it's a good idea to recover them as soon as possible. If this tip helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.